Hello, it's time for ROARS Awards. You know me, I'm Mr. Costanis, and I'm here to announce my ROARS students for September and October 2020. Our first award goes to somebody who's shown confidence, which is one of our ROARS themes of the month, and that person is Malaysia. Our second award goes to somebody who's shown collaboration, which means helping others. As you can tell by the background, it's David. Yes, it is. Paxton's going to announce our next award. So who gets the ELA award, Paxton? AJ. Ruff. AJ. Ruff. Our next award is for somebody who's out of this world in math, and that would be Selena. And finally, last but not least, our most improved award, and that goes to Brandon. Nice job, guys. Mr. Wooten, back to you.